On January 27, 1945, the gates of Auschwitz were thrown open, exposing the unspeakable atrocities committed behind its barbed wires. Over 1.1 million lives, innocent men, women, and children, were systematically extinguished. Their voices, dreams, and identities erased in the most inhumane act of the 20th century. Today, we remember not just the victims, but the lessons their suffering etched into the conscience of humanity. Auschwitz stands as both a graveyard of hope and a reminder of what we must protect: the dignity and sanctity of human life. The Holocaust did not begin with death camps. It began with words that dehumanized, scapegoated, and sowed division. It began with silent complicity, where prejudice became policy and hate became law. Decades after the liberation of Auschwitz, its lessons are not relics of history. They are guideposts for our present and future. We must confront hate in all its forms and remain vigilant against the forces that divide us. Ignorance is the soil in which prejudice grows, and education is our most powerful antidote. Auschwitz is not just a chapter of history. It is a moral compass for humanity. Let us honor the memory, uphold the lessons, and ensure that the darkness of the past gives way to a brighter, united future.